Greetings. Nhasi tinoda kudzidza kana kuenderera mberi nemasads. Asi tinoda kuita inonzi iyo reverse jive. In our first lesson, takadzidza isusu kuti how do we express a root kana kuti a square root in sad form. Saka I can just give an example. Of course, if you want to learn more about this, you have to look for our first lesson. But it's about my irrational numbers, especially pataka introduce masads. But for today, just as a reminder, we can take for instance the square root of 45. Saka toda kushandisa the square root of 45 as a recall, as a reminder of what we did in our first lesson. So what we did was takati isusu, if we want to express a square root, if we want to express a root in sad form, what we have to do is we have to find two numbers which multiply to give us this number. Saka instead of writing, instead of saying 45, takuti 9 times 5. But atingo choose my numbers randomly. We have to be wise with our selection of numbers. Because tikatarisa for example, tikatarisa factors are 45. We are going to find other combinations of numbers which can multiply to give us 45. And kuti ndisangova mutauri wengano, let us demonstrate that. Ngatizame kulista factors 45. So of course we are going to have 1, which is a universal factor. We are going to have 3, for instance. Saka because we have 3, are we going to have 4? No, but we are going to have 5. What about 6? 6 into 45, that cannot be, because chati 36, then that is 6 times 6. 6 times 7, then that will be 49, right? Yeah, is it 49? Is it 42? Because 7 times 7 is 49. So it should be 42. Saka since we already have 42, then 49. So not 6 aipinde, even 7 aipinde zvakare, because it's 35, 42, 49. We are going to have 9 panapa. Then what other factor are we going to have? Because we know that 5 times 9 gives us 45. We know that 3 times what gives us 45. To find that, I'm sorry if I'm beginning to confuse you, but I'm sure you know kuti how do we list my factors a number. Saka, what I'm doing is just a process taking us to the factors of 45. So 3 into 3 it's 1, into 4 it's 1, and into 15 it's actually 5. Whatever equal kuti we have 15 panapa. Then what is the half of 45? What is half of 45? So it's 2 into 2, it's 1. 2 into 4 and 2. And 2 into 5, of course, that is going to be 2 with the remainder of 1. But the half of 45 is actually 22 and a half. I'm not sure kana tikawana mamwe factors other than 45 itself. So I'm not claiming kuti ndo factors ese are 45. Rather, for the sake of what I want to illustrate, mazvona, it's important ngogumira ipapa. Saka, instead of saying the square root of 45 is equal to 9 times 5, or the square root of 45 is equal to the square root of 9 times 5, tanga tichigona kuti the square root of 45 is equal to, for example, 15 times 3. Or the square root of 45, this is actually a poor example, but mathematically correct nonetheless, 45 times 1. So why did we pick 9 times 5 instead of 15 times 3 kana kuti 45 times 1? There should be a reason beyond our picking of certain numbers. And in our previous class, we actually illustrated very successfully that reason. Why tichidaro? And our reason was one of the numbers we picked should be a perfect square. And we defined a perfect square as a number which, when we find the square root of it, we retain an exact answer. 9 is a perfect square because the square root of 9 is equal to 3. 16 is a perfect square because the square root of 16 is equal to 4. 4 is a perfect square because the square root of 4 is equal to 2. Saka, and of course 1 is a perfect square because 1 times 1 gives us 1. So one of the two numbers should be a perfect square. Then from here, we said we are going to separate these two numbers inside the square root like this. The square root of 9 multiplying the square root of 5. We already know what the square root of 9 is. Saka, we replace with the answer. It becomes 3 times the square root of 5, which eventualizes as 3 root 5. That will be our final answer. Saka, I've just illustrated and tried to explain how we find SADS. If you did not understand, before you ask in the comments or directly to me, I would advise you look for the video we did on SADS, where we really explained in depth what is it was saying. What we now need to do, our lesson for today, is the reverse from 3 root 5 back to the square root of 45. Saka tinenge tine question yakadai so. We have a question iri kuti express the following as the square root of a single number. Pa A tina 3 root 5, pa B tina 2 root 5, pa C tina 7 root 3. So in essence, iri kunzi tidzosere 3 root 5 back to the square root of 45. And we need to learn kuti tinozviita sei mathematically. So let us do the questions. A, tinoita sei. What we do rather is tina 3 square root of 5, and this is equal to what? Saka tichabva pa stage, nditi tabva pa this stage toda kuuya pa stage ino E. You see? So instead of writing 3 root 5, tinyore takati 3 times root 5. Then from here, takudai so much. Tichati isusu 3, tichati the square root rather of 3 times 3. And say my brackets panapa, vatati times root 5. Saka patiri kuti the square root of 3 times 3 panapa. Zvatiri kuzviitira ndezvekuti tinoda kuziva perfect square yazotipa 3. Saka you can actually say utarigire kungoti 9 times root 5. No, itivangu kudaro. For the simple reason ekuti it's not always going to be obvious. Saka this will be our step number 1. 3 root 5 is equal to the separator 3 times root 5. This is equal to the square root of, in brackets, number ish, iri kunzo 3 times 3 times root 5. So this then is equal to G. What is 3 times 3? Be 9. Indeed. So the square root of 9 times the square root of 5, which is equal to, takuzvibatanidza zvakare, 9 times 5. Saka from singular square roots to one square root, this is equal to the square root of 45. So I don't think I have to repeat myself, but I find it necessary to repeat myself. Saka step number 1, E. So this is step 1. Taticha separator from 3 root 5 to 3 times root 5. Step 2, chatora single number, so multiply by itself 3 times 3, but really under the square root. Kunyora zvakare times root 5. Then our step 3, chamultiply zvemukati memabrackets to get root 9 times root 5. Then step 4, tichabatanidza zvese under 1 square root, 9 times 5. Then this is our final answer. So it's actually a reverse. You can compare this with that, and I assure you, you are going to find out but it's actually a reverse. So let us go to part B. I'm going to do with you part B, but part C, I want you to do it on your own. So after part B, I want you to pause the video and attempt part C. Then we compare answers. But if you feel kuti example yandaita pa A, you understood clearly, you can pause the video now and do B and C, then we compare answers. So this is your opportunity. Pause the video so that you practice. On to B. You can unpause now. Tirikuti 2 5. So this is equal to 2 times 5, which is equal to the square root of 2 times 2 times root 5. This is equal to the square root of 4 times root 5, which is equal to the square root of 4 times 5, which then is equal to the square root of 20. In our book NGM 3, page 179, tirikuita example number 3, and it's chapter 20, irrational numbers. We are done with that example. Let us go to C. I hope you got it right. Saka pa C manje, what are we dealing with? Pa C, we have 7 root 3. Same operation, 7 times root 3, and this is equal to square root of what? 7 times 7 times root 3, which is equal to the square root of 49 times the square root of 3, which then is equal to the square root of 49 times 3, which gives us in eventuality the square root of 147. Done. Saka the deal is done. Ndomaitiro azvinoitwa. As is our practice, we are going to have an exercise, but our exercise is going to comprise of 7 questions. It's taken from exercise 20D. This is the New General Mathematics book 3, found on page 179. I want you to do number 1. I want you to do number 3. I want you to do number 7. And I want you to pick 2 of your own. So you do 137, then you pick 2 questions of your own. So this concludes this part of the of our exercise or this part of the lesson. Patinodzidza reverse, you see, kuti how do we reverse an expression in sad form? How do we bring it back to its original form? Saka that have been said, thank you for your attendance to this lesson. What I want to say now is, if you have any questions, utilize the comments section. You can actually ask a question, Guti. This example, I don't understand it. Can you elaborate? Can you explain it clearer, or can you explain it in a way that I understand? But if you want closer attention, you can get me on WhatsApp on this number. So this is the number for those who want extra lessons, help in mathematics, O level, and also A level, and other subjects also. Then those who also want tutoring, or those who are in need of exam coaching, whatever you call it. Isu got extra lessons and we're okay. Saka, you get to me there. You can also ask me questions there, but I just want to give you sort of a disclaimer that certain privileges are actually to those who are part of the Math Hub. So our school, our digital school, is called the Math Hub. Give it a few years, it's going to be very prominent, and you're going to wish you knew me when I was a Shari, like I am now. So thank you for your time and take care.